Good morning, guys. It's Friday. Hope everybody had a good week, and today is going to be awesome for them. What we're going to do today, this is a pan that I took and finished yesterday. It is an old Crescent or Ozark, and it is had a rough life. You look close, you can see it's got pitting everywhere. I mean, it's even the handle's got pitting on it. So somebody left this one outside and lost it for a long time. Well, what I'm going to do today is, everybody's always so worried about how smooth their pan is. So they'll go in and grind down the lodges just because, they got to have it smooth. And, Smithy and a lot of those new ones, they're talking about smooth. Well, let's see how this rough one does today. I have a feeling it's going to cook just fine, no matter how rough or, this ain't a pretty pan. So we'll see how she does. Alright, guys, so far so good. Got the bacon in here, starting out with some ugly bacon. Nothing is sticking. And I started from a cold start. I put this in here before I turned the heat on. So, looks good so far. Nothing's sticking. Everything's cooking. We'll check it out here in a little bit. Alright, guys, the bacon came out great. Now we'll put the eggs in. Now I did chop up a serrano pepper in there. It's the first time I'm going to try those, so we'll see how this turns out. Alright, guys, the eggs are nearly done. I might have a little bit of sticking. Oh wait, that's on the side where it's still smooth. Okay, never mind. It's doing good. But you can really smell those peppers. I can't wait to try them. They're supposed to be like 5 times hotter than jalapenos, so we'll see. Oh, there's some sticking. But like I said, just the stuff on the side. But it happens all the time. But this pan, you saw how rough it is. The thing is, just because it has some pinning or anything on it, or if it's just like, the lodges, they'll cook just as good. You don't have to take and go after it with a grinder or anything like that to make it cook good. That's what I like about cast iron. Basically, you could take just a piece of metal out there, heat it up, and then put a little oil on it and cook if you really wanted to. And out here in Texas, you could probably do that in the middle of the summer, and you don't have to take and have an oven at all. So, alright, I'm going to finish these up, and I hope everybody has a great day. I've got to go load up a ton of cast iron because this weekend is the flea market, so hopefully it do good. And because I got way too much iron, and I've got to get some of it sold. Just, need the space, so gotta, clear out space before I can, start restoring a lot more. So, y'all guys have a great day. Alright, guys, to end this video, this is the same pan, cooked in it. I took it, just wiped it out. So, you can still see how rough it is, but it did a great job. So, I don't think there's any reason anybody should grind them down. If you can, cook on one that's pitted like this, or even worse, then there's no sense in like grinding down lodges just because you want it super smooth. So, y'all have a great day.